Good afternoon. The topic of the day is rain, and we have a lot of it all the way across the East Coast, down from Louisiana to Boston. Do not be surprised. Time now for your tropical update. Watching a system in the Gulf of Mexico very closely. Michael has made an official landfall at approximately 1 p.m. local time near the.
Tell me how it is where you are.
Right now, and I'm very pleased to say, is that
record cold temperatures expected across the state tonight. Temperatures could easily dip into the lower 30s. And with the humidity, we could easily feel like we are in the triple digits. How can you and your family stay cool this weekend?
Was the rain and the flooding, especially in the Houston metro area. For Irma,
high temperatures expected this weekend with little relief in sight. Temperatures rising. Good morning. We're watching very closely a system moving into our area. And this will bring cooler weather over the next few days for the majority of the South and the New England area. A named storm system in the next 48 hours. We'll let you know what that means coming up. Hi everyone, let's update you. Michael has made an official landfall at approximately 1 p.m. local time near the Tyndall Air Force Base as a strong Category 4 hurricane with winds of 155 miles per hour, just 2 miles per hour shy of being a Category 5. Looking at the latest radar loop, it appears that the Tyndall Air Force Base received a direct hit from Michael and punched through that northwest eye wall. Just to the east of the base, we have Mexico Beach going through the northeast quadrant of the eye wall. This is generally where we see the highest wind speeds and storm surge in a hurricane. So far, we have one maximum wind speed recording of 139 miles per hour from this area, and reports of intense storm surge rapidly coming ashore. Conditions definitely deteriorating in this location as Michael continues to come ashore. We have some time-lapse video to show you from the Mexico Beach area. This is where that strong northeast eye wall is coming ashore right now. This time-lapse is starting from earlier this morning as Hurricane Michael was still offshore and approaching land. You can easily see conditions start to deteriorate rapidly as Michael moves closer and closer to shore. Winds gradually picking up, but it's that storm surge that really captures our attention as it rapidly pushes ashore. This is what we need to be concerned about. Hurricane Michael is not just a wind event, it is a storm surge event as well. Storm surge is the deadliest component associated with hurricanes, and Michael is certainly going to test everyone along the Florida Panhandle. This is fast-moving water with debris in it that could cause significant damage and loss of life. Panama City Beach, Laguna Beach, 6 to 9 feet of storm surge expected. Apalachicola all the way to St. Mark's, 9 to 14 feet of storm surge. We talked to meteorologist Ken Graham from the National Hurricane Center, where he is closely monitoring Michael.
We've been talking about this storm surge, and we're looking at some of the latest values coming in, and it looks like we've already got 7.4 feet inundation over in Apalachicola. So the storm surge coming in with a vengeance. And even though the system's inland, you still can have that onshore flow pushing that water in. So just because the storm's inland, you're still not out of danger yet when it comes to that storm surge.
Michael is not only a coastal event, but also an inland event. Georgia's already feeling those strong hurricane force winds. More on this historic storm later tonight. Back to you.